So recently I visited a place called Pollamma's Mess, and this place was in dire straits because all the offices around it, all the educational institutes around it, the colleges had closed, and they were the bulk of customers for this eatery. So we went there, aired an episode. I think many of you who've been watching our videos went back to Pollamma's Mess, and today the place is packed.
We saw your video, I think we remember our old days, so we just visited here.
Yeah.
ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಇದಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೈಲಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು ಹುಡುಕೊಂಡು.
This is the first visit to this place just because after your show actually. I work in Accenture and I stay nearby.
Hi folks, hope you're doing well. It's one of those rare Sunday mornings, early afternoons when I'm at home. This is one of those Sundays where I didn't step out on a motorcycle ride. It's been a busy week shooting episodes of Gourmet on the Road, on the editing board, and of course for the last 1 month we also have a new channel, the Kripalamana channel. So getting content going on that. So it's been a rather hectic week, and even yesterday I was working till late. So I just decided to kick back this Sunday morning. And once in a while it's important to catch up on some sleep. So I typically sleep at least for about 6 to 8 hours, 6 to 7 hours at least. Maybe if I get 8 hours it's a luxury, but I try and get about 6 to 7 hours at least. And so this morning, or last night rather, I got about 8 hours of sleep, so I'm quite thankful for that. And so decided to kick back a bit. It's a lovely December afternoon here in Bengaluru. The weather is nice and sunny. It's quite bright and pleasant, as you can see. Christmas is in the air, so you have some poinsettias behind me. So that's a tradition here in December. Along with the tree, we also have the poinsettias that go up. I think it has a lovely splash of red and creates that festive vibe. So anyway, so I woke up this morning and I woke up to some messages that I received from our viewers on Instagram, viewers who had visited Mani Dum Biryani, Hoskote, and had posted some of these pictures. I think the place seems to be quite crowded, quite buzzing today. And I'm told the gentleman who sent us this message had to wait for an hour and a half to get his plate of Bisi Bisi Biryani, but he said it was worth it. I'm quite thankful to viewers who send us images, videos of establishments post a Gourmet on the Road episode being aired on the same. Of course, even before we decide an establishment for Gourmet on the Road, or even before we decide to film an establishment for Gourmet on the Road, we do a bunch of research and try and get a sense of what customers have to say about the place, have to say about the food, and that becomes the reason why we pick an establishment. But once we air an episode, because of the fact that there are so many of you watching the videos, I think it creates an immediate impact in terms of the number of footfalls at the establishment. So I'm always curious to know how the establishment is able to manage it. A place like Mani Dum Biryani has been around for the last 30 years. They're used to handling large crowds, although when I visited them recently, it wasn't as busy. But when they see a spike in customers, post a video, post a Gourmet on the Road episode, I think they're able to handle it. But smaller establishments have a tough time, because if you are used only to about 40, 50, 100 people and suddenly you have 500 people turning up, there's very little that you can do. Of course, whenever we air an episode, we always reach out to the establishment a day or two prior, a couple of days prior, just to let them know that we will be releasing this episode, and that our experience tells us that establishments that have been featured on the show do witness a spike in customers. So we do sound them out, but then some of the smaller establishments have a tough time trying to cope. I think recently we did an episode at Noon's Biryani here in HSR layout. It's been about 2 or 3 weeks, I think 2.5 weeks since we aired that episode, and I think even till date they have a tough time trying to handle the number of customers that have been visiting them. So recently I visited a place called Pollamma's Mess, not too far away from home, from our office. And this place was in dire straits because all the offices around it, all the educational institutes around it, the colleges had closed, and they were the bulk of customers for this eatery. So we went there, aired an episode. I think many of you who've been watching our videos went back to Pollamma's Mess, and today the place is packed. So I just received this message from the owner, Jagdish, who basically says that in the first 4 days of the video being aired, they had to actually turn back customers as they ran out of food, etc. But he says now we are much better prepared. And from a situation where there were hardly any customers at Pollama's Mess, now you have a situation where the place is packed, and that's the impact that Food Lovers TV viewers can generate at a place. If you want to be in the know of things like these, you must follow us on our social media, especially Instagram. Kripal Amana for my page, Food Lovers India for the Food Lovers TV page, just to get a sense of what happens at these eateries, some behind the scenes, etc. Do follow us on our social media handles. So yeah, so this is typically what happens at eateries post the episode. I'm happy for the eateries. I'm happy that they are able to bounce back, especially in these tough times. But sometimes I also feel sad when people have to wait, or people have to leave, hungry because the establishment ran out of food, or they had to just wait for far too long. So it's mixed feelings at times. Happy for the eatery, also happy for the viewers who are able to savor the food at these eateries, because these are deserving eateries. That's always the first thing that we look for. We want to ensure that the food is always great, because to me, if the food is not great, the eatery doesn't really qualify for an episode. So we are happy for the eatery. We are happy for the fact that we are able to connect our viewers to some great food, but we are sad that some viewers have to wait for too long, or have to return back unable to taste the food. But there's very little that I can do about it, although I do try and warn viewers on the video, in the video description, and also try and warn the eatery as well. Some time ago I was watching the Pollama's Mess video, and I was reminiscing some of the dishes that I tasted on the show, and so temptation has gotten the better of me. It gets the better of me too, although I am tasting food all the time. So I've decided to go to Pollama's Mess and pick up a couple of these dishes as takeaways. This is not meant to be a tasting review or anything of that sort. I think you get enough tasting reviews otherwise. This is just a conversation between us. I will carry my GoPro as I go to Pollama's Mess and see what's happening there as I collect this parcel. So stick around if this video interests you. It's around 1:15 now. I was originally hoping to go there around 12:30, 12:45. I'm just hoping that I'm able to get some food. So these are some of the office complexes around the place that they would draw their regular customers from. He's got a board right here. Pollama's now open. I can hear voices emanate from the restaurant upstairs. Namaskara.
Hi sir,
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೀತದೆ? ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು?
ಮೀಲ್ಸ್ ಸರ್, ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ.
ಮೀಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ನನಗೆ ಚಿಕನ್ ರೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಚಿಕನ್ ರೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಬೋನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಮಟನ್ ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್
ಬೋನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ,
ಚಿಕನ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ.
ಚಿಕನ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಇವತ್ತು?
ಆಂಧ್ರ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್.
ಆಂಧ್ರ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್. 2 ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ, ಚಿಕನ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ. Hi, how are you guys? Really? Hi. Hi. Okay, hi, how are you? Are you enjoying the meal?
Yes.
ಪ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಶೋಲೆ ಕಬಾಬ್.
Prawn shole kebab. Try ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಒಂದು ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಸರ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ.
ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ?
ಓಕೆ.
ಹಾಂ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಾ ಹಿಂದೆ?
ಸ್ಟಾಫು ಇಲ್ಲ, 5 ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. 5-6 ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇದೆ.
ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ? Huh?
She's not recognizing you.
You not recognizing me? You recognize me now?
She's laughing.
How's the meal?
That's good. first visit after you.
Yeah, with the vegetarian meals.
Yeah. This month it's vegetarian month.
Ah, this is Kartik Masa.
Yeah.
I can have just speak with you.
Sure.
I'm an old customer here.
Okay.
Before office, I used to come here.
Ah,
We saw your video, I think we remember our old days, so we just visited here.
yeah. But you used to come here earlier and then you haven't come for a while.
Yeah, I think it's almost a year.
Almost a year.
Yeah, almost a year. Every Friday or 2 weeks once we used to come, our colleagues, everything.
Ah.
We used to explore all day, everything here.
So you used to work around here?
Yeah, next to the office, Accenture.
Ah, so now of course work from home.
Yeah, work from home, that's what.
But good, I'm happy that you guys are back here to
Yeah, that's
support
what I
these
remember
guys.
that days, so used
I think earlier a lot of the classmates would come here too.
Yes, they did because of the pricing. Also for every student.
लखनऊ में एक बड़ा प्रोग्राम हो रहा है मुझे। It's been a while since I've been to Lखनऊ. In fact, 2020 में काफी travel plans थे, but we just said ठीक है, उसी बहाने let's explore more of Bangalore and go deeper into the city.
because of you, like literally, she's like always on your channel.
Yeah.
Okay. Because we wanted to explore Bangalore. We wanted to explore from north, so we wanted to. She's like, okay, the next thing is this, the next thing is this. Last night we went and Rangana Military Hotel.
कैसा था?
It was
It's hard to meet flowers.
That's why we are. We love it.
That's why we are calling you.
Nice.
ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ನೀಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಹುಡುಕೊಂಡ ಜಯನಗರ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಇದ್ದಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೈಲಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು ಹುಡುಕೊಂಡ
ನಾನು ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್
ವೆಜ್ ನಾನ್ ವೆಜ್ ಎರಡು ಸರ್
ಹೌದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಯಾವ
ರೆಡಿಯಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದಲ್ವಾ
Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್
ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ
ಬರೀ ಶೇರ್ ಬರೀ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರದು ಒಂದು ಫಿಶ್ದು ಒಂದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಖರಾಬ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು
ಮೈ ಮಚ್ಚಲಿ ಇದು
ಮಚ್ಚಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
ತಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸೀ ಫುಡ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ತಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಉಡುಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ
ತಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ
You've seen that?
Yes, it is very good.
So I did an episode on that.
New channel, right?
Now that we have so many people who are watching our show, so
Correct.
people also want to know other things. Like things like this, right? I can put it on that.
Correct.
Like I just went to this place the other day, which is doing some food because the guy lost his job. So just to feed his family, in his house only he's opened one room, doing some idli,
Correct.
anna sambar. I cannot put them on Food Lovers TV, so I said let's do a separate channel.
Correct.
To do shows like
Makes
that.
sense, absolutely.
So it supports them, gives them exposure. So that's the whole plan.
This is the first visit to this place just because after your show actually. I work in Accenture and I stay nearby. So
Never been.
I'll never get a chance to get dining close to my area. Always prefer home food. Right?
And this is as homely as it
Yeah,
can get.
correct. So
Right?
it
With
is.
the pappu,
Correct.
the papula podi and all. You're from Andhra.
No, I'm local.
You're local. Right?
But I prefer, I like Andhra food.
You like Andhra
I
food.
regular customer of Nagarjuna's, Bhimas and all. But
And he has worked. He has worked
correct.
at all these
That's the point I
restaurants.
just wanted to make.
So if you taste the food here,
We get that feel actually.
yeah, it's quite
Quality is good actually.
quality is good. Ingredients that he's using is good.
Absolutely.
What's your name? Riya. What class? Good. You guys are study from home. Online class. Well, nice to be back here and watch so many people enjoying their meal at Pollama's Mess. And like I always say, it's not us, but I think we just help shine a bit of a light. And I think it's Jagdish. It's people like Jagdish who do all the work, who've been working at this for years on end. So Soledadli Jagdish.
Thank you, sir.
See you. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
See you guys. See you. Well, nice to see this place buzzing. Buzzing with people, with happy customers. I think that's important. I think we can shine a spotlight on eateries, but at the end of the day, it's the eatery that does the work. And out here, Jagdish and his team of 4 or 5 people that he has, his wife at the back too, I think they're doing all they can to ensure that customers have a great, happy meal. And that's what I've got right here, my happy meal. I've got some mutton pepper boneless, some chicken roast. I also have a couple of biryanis and a prawns shole kebab. This is not meant to be a tasting video, so I think I will end it right here. I hope you enjoyed this bit of conversation that we've had at home and right outside Pollamma's mess. To watch the videos that I spoke about in this vlog, do look up the links in the video description. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.